inside of this box are some products from a company called Super Clean. They reached out to me, wanted to see if I wanted to test out some of their items, and what better project than this? I mean, I knew I needed to bring it over. Where I had it in my shop, it was kind of tucked away in an area I couldn't really get to it. So while it's out, I want to give it a good cleanup, or, you know, clean whatever I can. It's not a beauty pageant. I'm not really concerned with how good it looks. I'm concerned more with how well it works. So we'll open the box up and see what's inside and get started. Thank you to Super Clean for sending this out to me. I really appreciate it. It's something that's going to be useful for me, and we'll see if it's something I want to use in the shop. Looks like we've got some merch in here. Got a t-shirt. Also have a hat. Looks like we have a wheel cleaner. Foams away grime and brake dust. Super easy, super fast. Save that for home use for doing detailing and car stuff. These look like they're both the same. They're biodegradable detergents. That's cool. So we have pump spray and an aerosol spray. And these look like these are the same cleaning solution. So let's pick a couple dirty spots and spray it on and test it out. I'm gonna give a go on this stuff that's a little lighter, and maybe I'll use the liquid on the heavier stuff. I'm just guessing right now, so let's kind of do a little spot by itself to see first. I don't know if you need to let it sit. Cover surface, allowing time to dissolve grease and grime. So let's, oh wow. Wow. You could actually see it pulling the grease right off of there. Let me give it a little more actually. It's definitely pulling the grease out. Let's wipe it down and see. Okay. It's not too bad for a first pass. I'm assuming it's gonna take a couple of passes because now I'm just kind of smearing dirty stuff around. Another little hit in the same spot. All right, that looks pretty good. This paint is nowhere near smooth, so you could see where it was brushed on. Most likely lead paint.
Did you eat a lot of paint chips when you were a kid? Why?
Wow, yeah, you could, even where I didn't spray it, I can't get that off. So it definitely breaks it up. You know what, let's give a little try of the spray stuff. Kind of like the foam. Wow.
Wow.
Effective.
Very effective.
I like the way the foam sits in one spot. I'm thinking for side surfaces, I'll use the foam because they'll stick on there. And for top surfaces, I'll use the spray bottle. It works pretty good. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up a little bit and use the foam on this side, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna give the Super Clean all-wheel cleaner a shot. See, this one's been sitting for years with brake dust on it, so this is kind of a, I would say, an extreme case. Wow, that actually, yeah, that worked great. All right, let me do this. Yeah, you could see, I don't even need to rinse it off, and you could see how much cleaner it is right there. Let me do this wheel. I made a pretty huge difference. This product is pretty awesome. It did a really good job. You can see this is all pretty much all with the foaming spray. I did do the top of the motor with the liquid and the bottom corner right there with the liquid. This is all chip paint, but this was the most disgusting part of the whole milling machine. I don't even think, when I first got this milling machine 10 years ago or whatever, I cleaned the opposite side, not this side, because it had control boxes and stuff mounted all over it. I cleaned the other side. I never even cleaned the bottom of this at all. So this is all original grime from when I got it, and this was pretty disgusting. Thanks again to Super Clean for sending this out to me. I'm gonna go ahead and just give the whole rest of it a light wipe down, get it looking nice and fresh, and then we'll put it into place.